Hey there, garden lovers. Did you know that the quality of your soil can make or break your garden? Seriously, it's like the secret sauce for thriving plants. So, are you ready to uncover the magic of soil amendments that can skyrocket your garden's health? Let's dive in. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking all about soil amendments and why they're an absolute game changer for your garden. If you want to boost your plant growth, improve soil health, and have the garden of your dreams, stick around because I've got 5 amazing soil amendments that will transform your gardening experience. Now, let's get real for a second. A lot of us face some pretty common soil problems. Maybe you've got heavy clay soil that's like cement when it's dry and a swamp when it's wet. Or perhaps your soil is just lacking in nutrients, leaving your plants looking sad and leggy. And let's not forget about poor drainage, which can lead to root rot and all sorts of headaches. If you're nodding your head right now, you're definitely not alone. But the good news: with the right soil amendments, you can tackle these issues head-on and create a thriving garden. Alright, let's get into the juicy stuff. Here are 5 soil amendments that will work wonders for your garden. 1. Compost. This is like the holy grail of soil amendments. Compost enriches the soil with nutrients, improves drainage, and helps retain moisture. Just mix it into your soil or use it as a top dressing, and your plants will thank you. 2. Peat moss. If you're struggling with poor drainage, peat moss is your friend. It helps lighten heavy soils and improves moisture retention. Just be cautious not to overuse it, as it can make the soil too acidic. 3. Perlite. This lightweight volcanic glass is fantastic for improving aeration and drainage. Just sprinkle it into your potting and watch your plant's roots breathe easier. 4. Gypsum. If you have clay soil, gypsum can work wonders by breaking it up and improving its structure. It helps to soften clay, making it easier for roots to grow and for water to penetrate. Plus, it adds calcium, which is crucial for plant health. 5. Bone meal. This nutrient-rich amendment is high in phosphorus, which supports strong root development and flowering. Just sprinkle it into your planting holes or mix it into the soil before planting. Now that you know about these amazing amendments, it's time to put them to work in your garden. But wait, here's the real kicker. The most surprising amendment that can totally transform your garden's soil quality is, drumroll please, worm castings. Yes, those little nuggets from our wriggly friends are packed with nutrients and beneficial microbes. They improve soil structure, boost plant growth, and even help fend off pests. I remember a time when I added worm castings to my vegetable garden, and the difference was incredible. My tomatoes were bigger and tastier than ever before. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this super soil amendment. To wrap it all up, we covered 5 fantastic soil amendments today: compost, peat moss, perlite, gypsum, and worm castings. Each one has its unique benefits, and together they can drastically improve your garden's health. Remember, investing in your soil is investing in your garden. Now, I want to hear from you. What soil amendments have you tried in your garden? Drop your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my other videos for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!